Good morning. So I thought to do something a little different since my subscribers are more of the alternative prepper types and alike. So we're going to address the issue of alternative lighting today. Now, a lot of people, want to get battery powered things, but the issue is a lot of those take D cells. Batteries, they store a while, but not all that long. So what is an alternative that you can have where there is a fuel source that's readily available? You just have to look for it. That would be oil lanterns. This one here, more specifically, is a $10 Rothco, and as you can see, it is a rip-off of some of the higher priced lanterns. We won't mention names for sake, but this one here cost me $10 from an eBay seller, and it is your standard red, and it's marketed to be sold using kerosene. Now, myself, I prefer to use a lamp oil. It's pure, it doesn't smell as bad, and the price is really not all that bad. But what do you get? Well, obviously you get the lantern. It comes with the glass dome, and like any other lanterns, you lift it to light. Okay. Now, the light from this is not going to be like that of a light bulb. It's not going to be very bright, but it will provide you with enough light for reading. Overall construction of the Rothco lantern is cheap, to say it best. It does kind of wobble at the arms here. The glass is a little thinner than most, but I haven't had any leaks with it or anything like that. Now, you'll see here that it instructs specifically, do not fill above this line. Yes, if you overfill this, you will have lamp oil going everywhere. So, this is your standard fill cap on it. Once again, very cheap, but as you can see, there's no real way to tell how full it is. So you kind of have to do the guessing game. Maybe if you have a flashlight, you can look down in there. And this one does have some residual lamp oil on it, but it actually sits on a shelf in the bedroom here, and we don't smell anything. These will put off some heat. This is, this is an actual flame that produces its light. So, although you could hang this up somewhere, I recommend setting it down just on a table, away from pets, and you should be good to go. Now, once again, with the issue of pets, if you do have a lot of pets, even though this is protected, keep in mind these can leak their fuel if knocked over, so you could have a fire hazard. So it is generally accepted and recommended that if you are going to use an oil lamp like this, that you make sure that it is away from pets and children. So overall, go ahead and spend the 10 bucks. It'll get you something. It's not going to last a long time if you abuse it, but it does work as described. And once again, even though it's marketed to burn kerosene, I personally recommend burning the medallion lamp oil in it. It just doesn't smell, and it's more easily available. You can buy it in smaller containers. So that's the review of the Rothco oil lamp, or hurricane lantern, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for watching.